Want to make extra cash while relaxing and watching TV? Here are 3 phone apps that make it possible, super easy, and even a bit fun. Hello, and welcome to How to Easy Quick. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 unusual but effective apps that can help you earn a little extra cash while you watch TV, YouTube, or do other things around the house. TurkDroid. If you're someone who likes to multitask while watching TV, then TurkDroid might be perfect for you. This app connects to Amazon's microtasking platform, called Amazon Mechanical Turk. With TurkDroid, you can complete microtasks for Amazon clients and get paid in cash. Microtasks are easy, quick tasks like watching a short video, answering survey questions, or even categorizing data. Lootup. Lootup is another great app, especially for teenagers. It's accessible to users as young as 13, making it a good option for teens who want to earn a bit of extra spending money. Lootup offers similar microtasks, like watching videos, completing surveys, and even trying out new apps. It's flexible, and you can earn points that you later redeem for cash or gift cards. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular app that offers tons of ways to earn, from watching videos to playing games, completing surveys, and even shopping online. Each activity rewards you with points that you can exchange for cash or gift cards. Swagbucks is known for offering a variety of tasks, so you can pick what you enjoy most. And there you have it, 3 simple apps that allow you to earn cash while you relax at home. Each of these apps is free, and with a little consistency, you can turn your downtime into extra income. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on easy ways to earn cash. Let us know in the comments which app you're excited to try first. See you in the next video.